In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make QR code in Linktree. By the end, you'll have a clean scannable code you can drop onto flyers, posters, packaging, slides, or anywhere you want people to reach your Linktree in a single tap. First, open your Linktree admin dashboard in your browser and make sure you're on the page where you manage your links. This is the control center for your profile. Once you're in, look toward the top right of the dashboard. You'll see the sharing options there. Click the link or share option in that top right area to open the share menu. Inside that share menu, choose QR code. Linktree will instantly generate a QR code that points to your profile, so you don't need to paste any URLs or tweak settings. It's already connected to your Linktree, which makes it perfect for print materials. People scan it and they land on your profile where all your links live. You'll notice two download choices, PNG and SVG. Click Download PNG if you want a ready-to-use image that works well for most situations, social posts, documents, email signatures, or quick prints. PNG is a raster image, so it has fixed pixels. It looks great at the size you export, but if you stretch it too much, it can blur. Save it somewhere easy to find, like your desktop or a dedicated assets folder, and name it clearly so you can reuse it later. If you're preparing professional print materials or designs that may need to scale, click Download SVG. SVG is a vector format, which means it stays perfectly sharp at any size. It's ideal for posters, banners, packaging, or any layout you're building in tools like Illustrator, Figma, or similar design software. Drop the SVG into your design and scale it up or down without losing quality. A few quick best practices will help your code scan reliably. Keep strong contrast. Dark code on a light background is the most dependable. Give it breathing room. Don't crop it tightly. Leave a clear margin so cameras can detect the edges. Avoid warping or skewing the code. Always keep it square. For print, make it large enough to scan from the expected distance. Even a couple of inches on a flyer is usually fine. Before you print a big batch, it's smart to do a quick test scan on your phone to confirm everything reads instantly. That's it. You've opened Linktree, used the top right share options, selected QR code, and downloaded it as PNG or SVG depending on your needs. Simple, fast, and effective.